What I should do?
I don't know. I got nothing.
This season's gonna be great!
We'll work up to the higher speeds right after you take your nap.
You want me to take a nap?
You know me, buddy. I'm always happy to help.
This is really impressive. Okay, let's see what you got.
Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys.
Whoa, check it out. Disney Pixar Cars 3 characters. And look at all these toys. Whoa, lots of cool characters, especially ones that talk.
Oh, ka-chow! You know, I can't believe I get to race the Lightning McQueen in his farewell season.
Look here, boys! We got us a couple rookies!
Nah, that's Thomasville tough.
I'm fine.
So these are the talking characters: Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm, Miss Fritter, Smokey, and Cruz Ramirez. And down here we've got, whoa, look at that RV. Smash. What about this, Miss Fritter? Smash. Then we've got a Racing Wreck Cal. Oh, he's smashed. Then we got a Racing Wreck Lightning McQueen. Smash. Then we got a Racing Wreck Cruz Ramirez. Smash. Then we got a Funny Talkers Lightning McQueen.
You want me to take a nap? How's the view from back there? Sup? Ready and raring. Best feeling in the world.
And then down here we've got toys from Jada Toys, MACK, Rusty's Racing Center Lightning McQueen, Cruz and Lightning McQueen, Dynaco Lightning McQueen, Dynaco Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, and the new Cars 3 Mack truck.
Woohoo! Rev it up! Oh yeah! Check out this move. I hit 200, no problemo.
I got this. Awesome!
Wait for it. Amazing!
Awesome! It's go time.
Oh yeah!
Hey, whoa! Hey, champ. Where'd all your friends go? Let's go! Let's move!
Beep, 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 beep. Back it up. Back it up.
Woohoo!
Thought I recognized the sound of that engine.
We'll work up to the higher speeds right after you take your nap.
Coming through!
Yes! That is Thunder Holler Tough!
We got ourselves a race to win! All win, all beat Storm.
Ow!
Top of the mountain, now!
Great.
Wow! Hey, good luck out there, champ.
Woohoo!
I said gun it! This season's gonna be great!
Look here, boys! We got us a couple rookies!
I think you heard me.
Keep going. Almost there.
Watch and learn. You alright? Don't worry, you had a good run.
You missed me. Too slow.
Alright. Quicker than quick. Faster than fast. I am speed. Hey, champ. Where'd all your friends go?
Motivate. 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 Come on, motivate.
Ka-chow! Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Does this make you mad? We'll
Okay, so all these talking Cars 3 characters are pretty cool, but I've got 2 new ones. What about a Mater, talking Mater? And a fabulous Lightning McQueen. Look at that right there. Mater and Lightning McQueen. And Mater and fabulous Lightning McQueen. 15 sounds and phrases. I'm coming for you, Storm. Lights and 15 plus sounds and phrases. Get her done! Press for lights and sound.
I found it!
Try me.
Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left.
Check out the back of the box. Oh man, we gotta get Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. And on the back of Mater is Smokey. Oh yeah, we've got Smokey right there.
There are no shortcuts.
So let's get these cars out of their box. Out of the box and check these characters out. Pretty cool. This Mater is really cool with all these cables and everything for his tow Mater. That's why you call him Tow Mater. But he's got the blue wheels on the back, brown on the front. Good expression right there with a big smile. And look, one headlight. Let's see.
Get her done, buddy!
Get her done, buddy. Let's listen to this Mater. He makes all kinds of cool sounds and voices. Ready?
That's it, buddy!
You know what I should do?
I don't know. I got nothing. You know me, buddy. I'm always happy to help.
Lights on the back. And a light right here. That's pretty cool. And he's got a good speaker right there. That's pretty good too. Alright, no switches on the bottom.
You know what I'd do?
What?
Get her done!
Okay, let's check out this Rusty's fabulous Lightning McQueen. Very cool paint job. That is for sure. I like the red wheels right there. And on the back it says, for Doc Hudson. Very cool. The Hudson Hornet logo, even right there on the back. Okay.
Let's do this thing. Now's my favorite competitor. I'm sorry, what did you say? Get over there to victory lane. Coming through. Want to take a lap around the home track of the greatest racer ever? I'm coming for you, Storm. Coming through. Now's my favorite competitor. Get over there to victory lane. This is really impressive. Want to take a lap around the home track of the greatest racer ever? Wow. If this track could talk, would you look at that?
Or, if you want their lights to stay on a little longer, you just press and hold.
Woo!
And just like that, press and hold, and the lights stay on. Let's try Mater. Alright, the lights are on, and he's not talking. So if you want the lights on longer, you just press and hold. Very cool Mater and the fabulous Lightning McQueen. Can we press the buttons at the same time?
Keep it going, buddy! I'm always burning that midnight oil. Well, hey there,
What did
buddy!
you say?
Oops, hold on. Gotta sneeze. That gum, I lost it.
Ready and raring. Best feeling in the world. You know, I can't believe I get to race the Lightning McQueen in his farewell season.
Yeah, I think you might. What do you say we go to my office?
You're about to become an unsightly skid mark on my undercarriage.
Get your speed up!
You want me to take a nap?
Let's go. Let's move.
I'm running out of time to put you in the shop.
Alright, so there you go. There are some funny talkers from Disney Pixar Cars 3. Very cool, very funny. Whoa. All these other toys as well. Awesome. Who's your favorite? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for more Disney Pixar Cars 3 videos and for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?